Hello people, and for this round, we're gonna show you how to change your profile picture on RedNote. Now it's pretty straightforward. Right now we are at the Explore page, the default page when you open the app. Let's just go down over to our bottom right over at Me. And once here, we can go and tap on the profile button beside the settings icon. So let's tap on profile and we'll be taken to this page where we can edit a lot of personal information, such as our names, our birthdays, work, bio. All the basic stuff is here, and for a profile, of course, we'll just have to tap on that. Now, as you can see, we have to allow access to our camera. Now, for example, I want to use this as my profile picture. You can adjust and you can zoom in as well. And once you're done, just tap on the red button here at the bottom right. And there you have it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please leave a like, maybe subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new tips. Thank you for watching and see you again next time.